show you an amazing runlinc AI assistant where we have the runlinc easy coding, but the AI assistant in fact actually allows you simply to type in your request in English or in another language, just like ChatGPT. We can simply put in a request. So go to runlinc.com, runlinc with a C, click on users on the top menu. If you don't have a login already for runlinc online, go to the register button under the login button and you can sign up for free. Otherwise, simply register, and I'll put in my username and password. Okay, and then we can open up the runlinc online. This is similar to the page which is on the runlinc chip, but it is online, and we also have the AI assistant in this section. So click the show button and we have the request that we can simply type in. We want to make a computer memory game with 6 cards for 7-year-olds. Okay, and simply click the send. We just want a simple 6-card memory game. Okay, let's see. And it's only a computer, so we don't need the runlinc controller at this stage. So anyone can do this. Try this also after you've seen the video. Have a go yourself. Okay, go back up to your request, and we see we have the coding for HTML. Simply click copy to section. The warning is if you have some code in there, you should save it first. We don't have any code. Go down to the next section, CSS box. Again, copy to section. Only one click for each section. JavaScript, we can simply click the copy to section on that one. And you see that it does do a good job at also explaining, so we can learn a lot on the code as well. Simply click Run Code at the top. Go down and we have, looks like we have some fruits, and we can match those and those and those. Okay, so we shouldn't be able to see the things until after we click the game. So we want to change the code so the user does not see what is on the card until they click it. Okay, so if you want to change the code, you can simply put in the request as well. So we're changing the code so that we have to use our memory to know where they are. Okay, so regenerating the code. It's taking a look, changing the code. Go back up to that last request again. Change the code. Okay, so we copy to section and copy to section as well for the change in the CSS and also the JavaScript. Okay, so let's try again. If we go stop code, run code, we can rerun the code, and this time we have some blank cards. If we click it, then we can see the item. Okay, apple and banana don't match. 2 bananas. Okay, we have 2 cherries and 2 apples in a random position. Very good. Of course, the AI might come up with numbers or letters. In this case, we have some nice fruits. Okay, so what else can we add? Well, we could then add and say we want to have, so add a 20 second time limit. Okay, so let's display that as well. Add a display of of 20-second time limit. Okay, so we want to see the time as the seconds count down. So send, and we'll see if we can add to the code. It is a good idea to get your code working, and you should really go to the top and click the save button on your code. So go to the request again. So we have the last request, which is add a display of 20 seconds. Again, we copy the sections. Note how quickly we can then update because we have the single click update. Okay, and the JavaScript loop. Make sure you copy all the code. Okay, good. So click stop code, run code. Let's have a look. Okay, we have a start game button. Excellent. So let's start the game. And we see the timer going down just as we want. And let's see if we can beat the timer this time. Okay, 2 matches. No, didn't get those. Looks like this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh, 2 seconds left. Okay, very good. So we can do that. Let's though now add some IoT to this memory game, Internet of Things. I have a runlinc controller, and so I can actually add that in. So let me just show you the runlinc controller. I'll just go to the camera. Okay, we'll display the camera. All right, and we have the runlinc controller. You can see the runlinc controller, which is on my table here. It has a LED on here as well. So what we want to do is we want to include now the runlinc controller. How would we do this? Well, let's go back to the runlinc online and go to the top, and we can stop the code. We can then save the code. So you would save the code, memory game. So simply save the code. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to change this code, so the page, so that it's HTTP, so we can actually reach the controller. So click the HTTP, then we can reload the game. It's always a good idea. Click the runlinc.runlinc, and we can load it back. Now that we have HTTP, let's connect to the controller, and this is the IP numbers 192.168.20.80 is my IP. Yours might be different depending on the Wi-Fi connection. You can take a look at some other documentation on how to connect to your chip. You'll have an IP number. We can check whether it's connected. Let's take a look at that LED. I do have a red LED, okay, on D12, and it's a dual color LED, so we have the green LED on 18 plugged in, and my negative needs to be on 19, so that's also off. So how do we include this LED? Let's test the LED first. If I click this one here, red LED on, okay, actually it's not on D12, it's on D5, so I'll move it there and make that one digital out instead. Okay, let's try again. When I click this one, I can see it now, so let me show you also on the camera. Okay, if I can find it, there it is, the red LED. And if I go back, turn that off, click the green LED, then you see on the camera the green LED is on also. So test the LEDs as you would normally on the board, and then you can add it to the code. How can we do that? Very easily on the runlinc AI. So go to the runlinc AI, show the AI assistant. Now we don't have anything on the runlinc AI, but the runlinc AI has all of the context on this page already. So we want to add the red and green LED to the memory game, and then we need to describe how we want it to react. So the green LED should be on for 3 seconds when the user wins. Otherwise, the red LED should be on for 3 seconds. Okay. All right, so let's see if we can add that. The runlinc AI can then add that to the code. So click on the request, send the request, and we have a response. Okay, very good. So it says I can help you with that, and certainly it's updated the code. So go to the JavaScript, click the copy to section to update the code, and the JavaScript loop, copy to section, and it will overwrite the code that's already there. So that code will be now overwritten. Okay, I'll make sure my green LED is off to start with. So let's click the run code, and we have our timer again. We start the game. Okay, and let's quickly try to match. It doesn't match. No, I think I have 2 cherries. Let me see. I think my bananas are there and my apples are there. And time. Yep. Did you see that? You would have seen the green LED. Okay, what happens if we lose the game? Does the red LED turn on as well? Let's restart a game, and if we take 20 seconds and it doesn't match on time, okay, then if we then go to the camera quickly, you see it's a red LED, and we have IoT system connected even to a memory game. So isn't that amazing? Please try it yourself. You can make the memory game without the controller, but if you have the controller, then the runlinc AI can also connect in to Internet of Things. Okay, enjoy, have fun, and please share with your friends. So I'll talk to you next time. Thank you.